Hello guys, it's the Lone Wolf, and in today's video I'll be trying to address why you don't hear about the Olla smartphones anymore. So before I go on, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. So we may or may not know about the Olla smartphones. The Olla smartphones were created by the company Opera. You know them as the people that made the Opera mini app and the Opera browser. So in 2020, the Olla smartphones were made, and they were made because of the success of the company Opay, which is also owned by Opera as well. So Olla made some smartphones like the Olla M1, the Olla Note 3, the Olla M8, the Olla M6, and the Olla V9. But the thing is, what happened to the Olla smartphones? You never hear about them anymore, and you don't even see much on their social media page. Like, look at the last time that they posted something on their social media. But this video is to try and explain why you don't hear about the Olla smartphones anymore. So without further ado, let me tell you the reasons why I think we don't hear about the Olla smartphones anymore. So basically, it has to do with two factors in my opinion: sales and competition. So in terms of sales, the Olla phones had a target and they didn't reach their target probably, and that is why you don't hear about them anymore. They were new to the smartphone business and they probably expected that they'd make a certain amount of sales, and since they didn't reach the certain goal, they are no longer heard of anymore. And second is in terms of competition. As I said, Olla was new to the smartphone game, and despite the fact that their phones were affordable, they had to compete with already existing phone brands that are already well established in the market. And since they couldn't compete with these well established smartphone brands, that's why we don't hear them anymore. It's very hard for a newcomer to compete with people who are already big. It's very hard. So that's why we probably don't hear about the Olla smartphones anymore. So anyway, that's all for today's video. What do you think about this? If you have any other opinions, leave them in the comments below. And also be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hope I see you guys next time. Peace out.